I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I put on my school uniform. I put on my school uniform. I pack my bag for school. I pack my bag for school. I eat breakfast before I go. I eat breakfast before I go. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I arrive at school on time. I arrive at school on time. I say good morning to my teacher. I say good morning to my teacher. I sit down and open my book. I sit down and open my book. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class. I write the answer on my notebook. I write the answer on my notebook. I raise my hand to ask a question. I raise my hand to ask a question. I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. I drink water during the break. I drink water during the break. I talk to my friend in the hallway. I talk to my friend in the hallway. I borrow a pen from my classmate. I borrow a pen from my classmate. I do my homework after school. I do my homework after school. I read my textbook at the library. I read my textbook at the library. I pack my bag and go home. I pack my bag and go home. I tell my mom about my day. I tell my mom about my day. I go to bed early for tomorrow. I go to bed early for tomorrow.